In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment with a tax expert in Turbotax. This feature allows you to connect with a professional who can help answer questions and guide you through your tax filing process. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Turbotax website from Intuit. Once you arrive at the home page, take a moment to look through the page and scroll down until you find the Contact Us option. Click on Contact Us to access the support section. This area is designed to connect users with help resources and professional assistance for their tax-related questions. After opening the support page, select Contact Us again to proceed. This step will guide you toward the available support options provided by Turbotax. Next, you'll see several choices for getting help. Look for the option that allows you to schedule an appointment with a tax expert. Selecting this option will begin the process of booking a session with a professional. Follow the prompts on the screen to choose a convenient appointment time. You may also be asked to enter some basic information and confirm your request. Once completed, your appointment will be scheduled. Before the meeting, it's helpful to gather any important tax documents or questions you may have. This will allow you to make the most of your time with the expert and ensure your tax concerns are addressed efficiently. That's how you schedule an appointment with a tax expert using Turbotax. With this option, you can receive professional guidance and make the tax filing process much easier.